Welcome! In this video I will show you how you can add free add-ons to your Minecraft world. Here we go! The first thing you got to do is to navigate to a website where you can find and download Minecraft add-ons for free. For this video I chose to use the mcpedal.com website. An add-on consists of a resource pack and also a behavior pack. If they are kept separate like this, you will have to download both of them. Hit download. And then select Open in Minecraft. This will open Minecraft and your behavior packs will be imported. Then do the same for the resource pack. Awesome! Now you know how to import an add-on when the files are kept separate. Let's look at how you do it when the files are combined in one pack. It will look something like this. You simply download a file, then open in Minecraft, and then you'll notice that both of your packs will be imported. Good job! You can now import add-ons to your Minecraft game. Now it's time to take a look on how you add them to your server. Okay, so this is my server and I want to add my add-ons to it. A lot of add-ons require the server to have experimental gameplay enabled. So the first thing I will do is to enable experimental gameplay for my server. This will create a copy of my server and the copy will be named EX to show it has experimental enabled. Making a copy is always recommended when you add an add-on, as you never know if a quirky add-on will mess up your build. Next up, hit edit. Here you will find the resource and behavior packs for your add-ons. In order for your add-ons to work, make sure you add both the behavior and the resource pack. Awesome, now you are done. It's time to enter the server and check if the add-ons works properly. And it looks like it does. Nice. Now let's add some more add-ons. There you have it! If you found this useful, feel free to like this video and subscribe for more videos. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. Bye bye!